what is more important in life? Is that freedom or equality?
We received freedom since 1947, but there are a lot more things that has bring the changes because of equality only.
She has to fight everywhere, even in the family, even in the professional life, even in the schooling life. She has to fight everywhere. She has to prove herself everywhere. Why it is because we are not getting the opportunity, we are not getting the proper freedom.
Talking about freedom and equality sitting in a country where it is just a joke, or it might depend according to the situation, because if you are protesting against the government, then it doesn't matter at all.
Equality was also there when the patriotism movement went into like that we have to erase the difference between Indians, like on the basis of race and other things, so we can go with the freedom. We can observe that who is manipulating. The basic points were shared by Pari. You said that is the joke. This is content and this is the way of placing the content. You don't know it, so that's why I'm telling you that how to place the content.
So if I tell you, there has been a very popular saying or a very common statement that we generally hear, that to live a life, what do we need? Food, shelter, clothes. But I guess in this century, it is just not limited with food, shelter and clothes. Today's human even require education, freedom and equality, right? But the question comes right now, what's way important? Is that really equality or freedom? Though there are some scholars who believe both are equally important, but there are some sections in our society who believes or who does not really support freedom and liberty, right? And the other section does not support equality. So now this question comes in your way today, guys. So today there is this topic for your group discussion which asks that what is more important in life? Is that freedom or equality? So let's see what you people think about it. What's your perspective about this topic? And I'm quite curious to see you people actually sharing your opinions, agreements, disagreements in this group discussion. I'm quite keen to know about that. Moreover, just want to make you realize about a few things about this group discussion. You are sitting in Budding English Academy. You have got equality and freedom both here. Means it is not that you cannot be liberal and you can't share your opinions, with utmost freedom. You can do that. Whatever the opinion you have, simply share that right there. If you agree with someone, openly agree. If you have any disagreement, openly show your disagreement right there. What do we actually need? What's more important? Is that equality or freedom? So now the ball is in your court.
Freedom creates wealth, but equality distributes wealth. Here, in this topic, we are discussing about that which is more important, freedom or wealth. Here, I think that equality is way more important than wealth, because than freedom. Because we have got freedom, we received freedom since 1947, but there are a lot more things that has bring the changes because of freedom only, because of equality only. If we see, then if there was a data of 2013 where there was only the poverty rate was 16%, but right now in 2023 it is around 2%. So somehow it is because of the equal distribution, the poverty rate got reduced, it got declined. It not only about the poverty rate, but also we get into development so much. 55 crore bank accounts open. It is not because that we have got freedom. Freedom were earlier also. Technology has been changing and developing day by day. But it is just because that we saw the equal distribution. We saw that okay, we need to develop the rural area also, and because of the equal distribution, we got this opportunity to also develop the rural thing. And if we are only dependent on the freedom, so whatever the thing, whatever the distribution, equality we have got in any administration, also in the budget, because there is equality also, that where we have to spend our most of the budget in the particular category. If we talk about agriculture and defense, they are getting the more budget of the India. So why it is there? Because equality it is there. Equality is there. If there will be only freedom, so we will be learning that okay, how to live without any slavery and with full of will. But how we get to know that how to live in equal manner, how to live with equality, equity, that is only possible because of the equality. So here I support that equality is way more important than the freedom.
In the saying, we have freedom and we have equality too. But for me, what is more important, in my opinion, freedom is more important than the equality. Because if we get the freedom, we will get automatically the equality. We all are fighting just because of the equality, we are not getting it. And because of this, and why we are not getting the equality? Because we are not getting the freedom. Especially if we talk about the women's, we are talk about the females. Females hardly get the opportunity, even she has to fight everywhere, even in the family, even in the professional life, even in the schooling life, she has to fight everywhere. She has to prove herself everywhere. Why it is? Why it is? Because we are not getting the opportunity, we are not getting the proper freedom. Because for our family members, we are also the not their property. Someday we are going to get married and we are going to change our house, and that is why for me the freedom is more important. And if we talk about the equality, once we get the freedom, we'll get the equality automatically. We need not to fight with the government to give us some special rights, to give us some special take care, some special advantage. The thing is, what we need, that is the freedom. We are not getting even the freedom the outside of our house, because everyone is there to questions. Would you able to do it? You are not capable. And even you yourself ask questions from yourself. You ask question. You have doubt about yourself that I'm not capable enough. You don't have that, because people are always there to demotivate you and suppress you. So if you don't get the freedom, definitely you won't get the equality.
Somewhere I am also on the same page as Geeta Di stated about the freedom. If freedom would be there, then automatically equality comes. How? Let me tell you. Just suppose you are having a freedom with your thoughts, freedom with the speech, that whatever you're speaking, you are supposed to speak like that only. You are having a thought, that is too much freedom, like you have got freedom with your thoughts even. Then you are not carrying the narrow mindset. Just see the people around you. They are carrying narrow mindset. That is why they are not having the freedom with their thoughts. They are not having the freedom with their thoughts even. So that how equality comes. But do I perceive that freedom is the like the basic need of one? Then the equality comes. Just suppose it is just like the freedom is the first level and the equality is the second level. As per my perspective, freedom, if there would be freedom, the automatically equality comes. I would like to just share some of the examples so that I can prove my statement. The first thing, there is one person who is not having freedom with his thoughts even. So how equality will come in our society? If he would be carrying the freedom within himself, then automatically equality comes. The second thing, just try to imagine the scenario where women are not allowed, like in some of the places. Why so? Because of they are not having the freedom with their thoughts. They are not free. They are not allowed to move themselves freely. They are not liberal. They are just carrying by the mindset of the people because of that narrow mindset. This statement is spoken by me because of this thing only. Just take the example of the people who are not carrying the good mindset. They would never allow equality because they are carrying, they are not free from their thoughts. The second thing, that just suppose if there is one person who is carrying the narrow mindset, then he would never allow it. But on the other hand, there is person who is carrying freely, who is having freely thoughts, who is like free from his thought. He would surely go for the equality. He would surely go for the freedom. So in the last, I just want to say, freedom is the topmost thing that, or it is the most vital thing that one should have.
Freedom is all about restrictions, so not being restricted. And when you are saying I am free, which means you are not bounded by something. At the same contradictory side, if you are saying I am equal, I am promoting equality, which means you are talking about inclusive growth and equal opportunities for all. But freedom creates opportunities and equality creates stability. Both are the coins, two sides of the same coin, which carry same values and credibility. But what is way more important? Many of us believe that freedom is more important because freedom will give you the opportunity to level up yourself, skill of yourself. It's your game, your way, that how much you are growing yourself. But what I'm trying to say, equality is more important for this current society. Let's take an example of the Pluto. One can be in all the philosophical angles, one can be Plutonic and Plutonic, but not non-Plutonic, because only either you are contradicting his point or you are favoring his point, but you are not something which is not touched by his topics. Same, equality is also a thing which is either you are against of it or not favor of it, but it is not something which is untouched topic, because in each and every sector we believe we need the same opportunities, same expectations from everybody. If we are giving the exams, everybody wants to get good marks equally, but it's your free opportunity that how much you are scoring. But what if the opportunity is not provided to you equally? If your parents is richer, your background is richer, the resources you have got, that was more for you, and the another person haven't got is all the things, then how will he get the same value? If you are promoting freedom, this will happen in this society. And always remember that you can't be restricted with one ideology. Right now I am favoring equality because that is a need of current era, because the way society is turning right now, the gap between the societies is actually clearly visible. There is a clear hierarchy in the society. That's why right now equality is more important. If the stability is there, all people are living a very peaceful and happy life and having all the resources, then freedom is more important. So right now the current era needs equality.
Talking about freedom and equality sitting in a country where it is just a joke, or it might depend according to the situation, because if you are protesting against the government, then it doesn't matter at all. But if you are standing in the favor of government, then it matters a lot, that you have to favor government, then you have got the freedom, you have got the equality too. But I am here to favor the freedom. Why so? Because I completely agree with the points of Geeta Di and Krishna. When we talk about women in this country, so there is this term allowing. We are allowing women to do something. We are allowing them to go out of their house. Now there is the term comes that why we are allowing them. Have we got the, that power or that superiority that we are the one who will allow them to go or do something? We are not superior. No person is superior in this world who can restrict your parents. They have got, they have got the charge of you. They can guide you, they can support you. But if there are people in the world who are saying that we are allowing you to do it, so do it in a limitation. That can be a good part of it, but that can be contradictory at the same time. But I support that freedom is the very, bare minimum in your life, because if you are not getting freedom, then what's there in your life? And if we take the example of Jean-Paul Sartre, he also mentioned that we humans are contemplated to be free. And if we are not free, if we are not free to think, we are not free to believe what we feel in our life, then what we can do? If we take the example of United States of America, we can see the examples of Apple and many other companies which were generated, which were introduced because of the freedom only, the freedom of thought process, the freedom of starting something what they wanted in their life. So if we don't get freedom in our life, I don't think so these innovations will be existing in the further situations. Let's take the example of Soviet Union only, where there were restrictions. Why there were no innovations? Because they were restricted. There was no equality at all. When the freedom is not there, then how they can get the equality in their life? When you are not, you are saying that I'm allowing them, you are not giving them the freedom. Let's take the example of vulnerable people. They are not getting the freedom, they are not getting the opportunities, they are not getting the freedom to get the school, to get the education. So when these bare minimum things are not available for them, how can we look for equality? So the priority should be freedom in one's life. And if you are not able to get the freedom, you are not, you're not motivated, because once you get the freedom, you feel like that I have get, control over my life. I can do something. I have this power that I have to think about my betterment, to about my surroundings betterment. So it is up to you.
I am also an Indian. So I would like to say that, see, freedom is always after or a byproduct of equality. Because you never create equality through freedom. You create freedom through equality. Because when we have equality of education, freedom of education in India, why? Because we bring it into the form of equality that everyone should get education. Or if you are talking about colonial rule, so in colonial rule, we were not free. We were having a lot of things. They were exploitation at the same. But when we had like our Bhagat Singh and all the people in the court, they also had the equality to choose the advocates. Okay, so I think that equality was also there. That's why there were a lot of things we able to convey. The equality was also there when our the patriotism movement went into like that we have to erase the difference between Indians, like on the basis of race and other things, so we can go with the freedom. So equality was the base of freedom as well. At the same time, if there is a war of like that women and men, so everyone should have equality, and that's why I want to oppose freedom, because a limitless freedom always create chaos or exploitation, as the example is here. Okay, because a lot of freedom don't let other grow. A lot of power, because freedom always give a lot of power. Freedom, the criminal is created because of that thought that I have a freedom. I can kill anyone, I can rape anyone. Okay, equality is there. Equality for criminal is also there, because in India they also have right to choose the advocates and their way of proceeding in the court. Yeah, freedom, that you cannot kill, those laws are there, that person would get punishment, but at least equality is there, so everyone can say their part. There was a example shared by Krishna, that a person who is wise, who have free thoughts, will always support equality. A person who don't have free thoughts will always oppose equality. But when both have the right to speak at least their thought, whether they oppose or whether they agree, that's the form of equality. Okay, so that's the equality, that both can speak. For example,
And I don't understand
Okay.
that they have the equality to choose the advocate. This is not the equality. You are wrong.
This is equality.
They have the freedom to choose the advocate.
See.
They have the right.
no, freedom is not to choose the advocate.
It's not something equality. Don't you understand that is equal?
Freedom would be there when they have to choose that any advocate they can say. Equality means at least they can have an advocate. See, shouting will not prove that particular point right, because that is the basic. Manipulating, we can observe that who is manipulating. The basic points were shared by Pari. You said that is the joke. This is content, and this is the way of placing the content. You don't know it, so that's why I'm telling you that how to place the content.
I'm ready to understand.
See.
Just tell me what is the statement that they have that equality.
Don't be ready to
choose the
understand.
advocate.
Ready to listen, you will understand. Let me tell you.
But make me
That-
understand now. What is this? That they have the equality to choose the advocate. What is this?
Because-
they have that right, that freedom. Tell me.
Now are you ready to understand?
I'll say I was impressed by a fact that you people opened up yourself quite thoroughly, and whatever the agreements, disagreements you had, you did not just keep them within. You just uttered them out. You asked questions. You put your points, maybe a little aggressively sometimes, but that is the beauty. That is sometimes the beauty, because you did not refrain yourself anywhere. And I guess that's a very rare thing to find, where you are actually opening yourself at a very good level, putting your points in front of everyone, asking, raising, outraging, all the things are happening at the same time. And I hope you even enjoy doing that now. Yeah, so if we talk about the topic equality and freedom, though they both are very important, as I said in the starting of this video only, that these two things are even considered to be one of the necessities to live. If you simply put someone behind the boundaries or behind the curtains, you're actually taking the rights of that person. So we are humans, we have born as a human on this planet Earth, and equality and this freedom has been given as our birthright only. I know the questions that you raised against equality, against freedom, they are quite generous, genuine. They are genuine and should be given some respect to them, and that's what you even did today. थोड़ी सी गुस्से वाली थी respect, but we respect that as well. All right. So yeah, that's for this discussion today. I hope you all enjoyed that, and I hope you too even enjoyed that. If you like this video, do you like this? Drop a comment right there in the comment section. How did you feel about this discussion, and what's your personal opinion about freedom and equality? That what matters the most in one's life, and what do you value the most? Is this the equality or freedom? Also share this video to as many people as you can, because that would help us grow, and that's how we'll be able to come with some more videos for you so that you can watch, develop this sense of information, discussion, debates and so on. Thank you so much.